Okay, so this is 117, and this is a temperature in the metal pipe that is insulated with the glass. And I'm comparing the glass to the bare pipe. And here, the temperature in the glass is very low, even though it's 117 in the metal. But if I touch the metal, it's extremely, extremely hot. So the air pocket is insulating this metal so that the heat doesn't go out into the glass. Now I have these two marks here. The first one is the length, so the temperature gauge is in the center here. And the second one down here, it's so that the temperature gauge is over here. So I'm going to move it. It's at 117 degrees. And if I move this over here to the next mark, that means the temperature gauge now is in the center here with just the metal. And you can see now it's 104, 103, 101. It went down a lot. Before it was at 117. So it's a huge temperature difference. And these two pieces are getting the same amount of sun energy on both sides. Also, it's very windy. Everything's blowing around. So the glass also prevents the wind from taking the temperature and the heat off the pipe. And this is the data I just got from the small model. So the blue one is with glass insulation, and the red one is just with the bare pipe without the insulation. And here's the difference. So you see the difference in temperature is about 20 degrees, and it even goes up as high as 30 degrees here. So with the glass insulation, the pipe gets a lot hotter, even though they're both getting the same amount of energy. Alright, so I built this glass tube cutter. It has a pivoting piece here, so it wedges in the glass pipe, like that, and it holds it in place. And then it pushes it up against this carbide cutting wheel, so this is for glass. And I wedged this so that it shouldn't move too much. So now I'm going to try and cut this, and this I'm going to use for the model solar powered car as the glass insulation. So I'm going to have to cut a few of these and put them end to end, and then it should be able to hold air to insulate the pipe. So I've installed this, it's really hard for me to find glass tubing here for the right size. So I just took a long glass and cut it, and then I didn't cut it very well, but I used silicone here to fill the gap. So this is trapped air now, and once it gets sunny again, I'll be testing that.